Righto legends, we took a little detour to Lofoten Beach Club. So there was some saunas, we took a dip in the drink as well, so it's pretty nice, refreshing. Took a shower. So now we've left our stuff to dry a little bit, and now we are heading to Reine just to wander around a little bit, try to see some orcas, and then we are heading to a different spot which I will try to put up here somewhere so you guys know where we're going. The weather has cleared up quite a bit, so looking for a good hike today. So we'll keep you updated. It's about a 2-hour drive to Reine, so we'll see you there. Alright, next trip, legends, going up that way. So there's a little lake, gonna camp up on that little ridge and then heading up that way. Put the name of this place here as well. But the water is absolutely clear, it's insane. So we've got to walk this little pathway now to, yeah, that area. But I'm looking fucking fly with my little backie on. Unfortunately, we went to Reine, no walkers, so fingers crossed we can maybe see them from up the top, but not counting on it, unfortunately. So that just means we've got to make another trip to Norway. But yep, 3 musketeers, we've got Andy, we've got Joey. So yeah, I'll meet you halfway up probably. Quick car. Righto, we'll meet you maybe halfway up, or when it gets interesting. Alright, first spot, second spot. First vlog's in. Info, it's about 2-4 hours. It's 201 or 7 meters to this one, and then it's 541 meters to that one. So we'll start going. It's already a bit muddy. These dudes are already on. I'm already behind. Fuck. Righto legends, made it up to the top. Absolute insane views. Absolute crazy. So this hike is about 500 meters up. My water's boiling. We've got Henningsvær over here. We've got mainland Norway, and then the rest of the Lofoten tip. So we're just cooking up some feast. For me, it's some taco. For the other guys, there's some chili, pasta bolognese, and I think my water is actually done, so I gotta go. Righto legends, just ate dinner. I had my gnocco and a taco sandwich, sort of. Got some gifla and some candy as well. But this view is insane. Let me just look at the mountaintop. So you can actually take a hike all the way up. As you see, there's a bunch of people up there as well. But we're not sure. The view is a lot better down here, so we might stay. This is our new mate, Johnny. Or no, not Johnny, Joey. His tent. But the view is fucked. I'll take you to the little edge here. You can see it goes a fair bit down. The odds of seeing a whale, I would say, would be pretty high, but I haven't seen a fucking thing. Like that is pretty vast, if you ask me. And as again, got the salmon farm or some fish farm. But I think we're gonna pack up, go to a different spot for the camping. Or I mean, I reckon it's good here, but I'm not sure what those other guys think. But then we're probably going to put on a movie about the hut that was on Kvalvika beach, about 2 guys ditching everything, building a hut, surfing the Norwegian winter. So we'll see, but we'll catch you guys in a little bit. So, our new mate Joey here thought it was a great fucking idea to not take his tent apart while we change camping spots.
I got it down.
And as you see,
I got it down. I can't see where I'm putting my feet.
as you see, this is working marvelous at the moment.
Yeah.
We did help. We're not cunts for just like filming and
Just
watching.
stop helping when the hardest part comes.
I'm gonna help you. I just needed some content, alright? There we go. Made to the new camping spot. The tent made it. Andy and me are putting up the new tent. Got a new view. If you wonder why I've always got my shirt off, my t-shirt is drenched in sweat. I've only got like a hoodie left, so it gets kind of hot, so I need to cool down a bit. But it works absolutely fine. You can see some people coming down. So you can go up that way, but the view wasn't as good. So got the beautiful gear, and now I'm going to put up the tent, probably right next to his. So beautiful.
So good. There we go. Last night, making some. Well, good job. Make some brekkie, boiling up. Got some kebab. Actually look pretty decent, I'm not gonna lie. Well, I've got extra water for you, don't worry. So, we're gonna have a feast. Gonna head down to the car, head into Henningsvær, see if there's any like restaurants. Just take a little bit chill, and then it's a 2-hour drive to the airport. So, our trip has almost come to an end. So, a little bit sad, but there's, as you see, there's a lot more to see. So we'll definitely be back. But I'll get this feast in, and then I'll update you guys in short. Yeah. All right, we're gonna try heading down now. It's gonna be harder. So I'm just gonna do a time lapse of this shit because we need full concentration. Hell yeah.
Alright, made it down. Took about 20 minutes on our way back to the car. Then we're going to Halstad, which is over there. Might go for a dip. But it was not as hard down as up, so that's a relief. So we'll head that way. Oh, that was an anti-climax.
Now Mr. 130 kilos.
No. Alright, made it to Henningsvær. That's the point where we camped at, somewhere here. Can't see the screen. This is probably the second most south football pitch in the world. That's pretty sick. Andy, what's your opinion?
It's sick. I'm craving caffeine.
Caffeine. Joey?
I miss my girlfriend, and I don't even have one.
Words well spoken. We're gonna do a hike around this area, and then we're gonna go into town and get some drinks, and then we're heading off at about 12 o'clock to the airport, and then our trip is over, which is sad, but we're coming back. No Nocco, so I had to go with a white monster.
Yeah.
Fucking shit. But it's cold, I need the energy, so. It's not horrible, It's definitely not fucking great. So probably gonna find a restaurant, get some feast, and then head to the drink and get some water. No, we're gonna have some food.
About food?
Restaurant.
You guys going to a restaurant?
Yes.
What do I do with my yogurt then?
No, you eat it later.
That's fair.
Oh, puppy. Other side.
It's a huge dog.
Just found this little place with nice glass. It's sick. That's dope. That's a bit nice. Yeah, that doesn't smell very good. Not gonna lie. Alright, last feast before we head out. Panini mozzarella, cinnamon bun, panini as well, and then he's getting a carrot cake. So, nice shit, nice shit. There we go, last bathing trip, or bathe. It's fucking nice, but it's time to pack up and go, unfortunately. So, nice dip, about a 2-hour car ride to Harstad Narvik. And then from there, we fly to Oslo, from Oslo to Copenhagen. And then we're home about 11 maybe, 11:30. And then I've got work tomorrow at 6 o'clock. So I gotta go up at like fucking 4:30, which sucks, but all worth it. But see you guys in the car. Yeah. All right, we made it to the airport. Packed all our stuff one more time. Realised we've still got some gas left. Problem, can't leave it anywhere. No one wants to take it. We're at the airport, and this airport is a military base as well. So leaving it is not maybe a good idea. So we are just waiting for someone with a backpack to come past. So maybe they want it. Otherwise, I don't really know what I was supposed to do. But got to get rid of this before we go, so figure that out. Welcome aboard.